Natasha ndishakufunza wataura kuti unoshanda nevasikana nevakomana mucommunity yamunogara imomo. Do you also work with children living with disability?
Thank you very much, Ruya. Yes, we do work with children living with disabilities. As the World Children Prize is an inclusive program, it also caters for that section of left out boys and girls in the community. We have newly introduced those trainings in Shtunwiza. We've done a training in Shtunwiza, and we've done another training in Stone Ridge, and another one in Mutoko of children living with disability. We discovered that these children, they have been left out for so long. And when we talk of their rights, we're just telling the general rights. We don't really understand what really happens to them. How do they feel being rejected? Like a center we went to in Stonebridge, they were saying that children who are born disabled, they are just being dumped at a doorstep. So the thought is, what is that child thinking at the end of the day? Will he or she consider the children's rights universal to him or her as well, when she has that sense of rejection in her? So we are trying by all means to incorporate children living with disability, and try by all means to make our organization capacitated enough to cater for them as well. Because we have to have special resources to deal with them, like knowing sign language. Sign language, because I also want to know more what's happening to them, because we discovered many different issues that can really scare people in the community, or that can make people in the community aware of what they've been doing that is wrong.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you work with these girls, and even on child rights ambassadors, not in Mimi. What are some of these challenges that you face in trying to send the students in the community? What is the feedback that you receive as an organization?
It's very hard, if I may say, if I am to say that I'm walking in their shoes. It's very hard to go to adults and command attention and respect. It's very hard. Because at the end of the day, they'll just ask you, I should consult you in the decisions that I'm making for you. It's something that is very hard for them. We also noted that when we were having our trainings with Chituza junior councillors, and they were saying we've got the senior council, but when we give them issues affecting us as junior councillors, they would just take our papers and just put them on the sideways and not look back. We'll go back to them again, say, we've got these issues that are affecting us as children, but they're not being taken seriously. But when it comes to issues of children's rights, or we want to empower these young boys and girls to be more in life, we have to give them their space. They know what needs to be done for them to be empowered, or they know what needs to be done. So that's something that is the major problem or major challenge that is being faced by these children, being taken serious.
Okay. All right. Over to you, Kim. As a president, we Zimbabwe National Jury Council. Is that it? I think Makambeta campaigns. What are some of these campaigns that you have done to really stand with my children's sides and the
Okay, so taita campaigns akasiyana may it be at school kana mu community or wherever. Yangu ya kutanga was that against gender-based violence. We spoke out tichuza kana ma teachers chayo, and I'm really proud because vaka understand. Gender-based violence affected us all. Tagaita imwe a campaign ya corporal punishment. People sometimes avananyatso zvitora vachitanzi mwana arowe avananyatso understand, so takanyatso ita we don't go like that. Tinoenda titi we don't want to be abused, because kurova mwana zviri harsh kumu abuser. There is a limit yekuti unorovawo mwana. Harsh inotangira pakukuvadza mwana. Harsh inotangira pakuti mwana atadza kunyora mubhuku zvakanaka womurova musana musana wese wozvimba uyuyu ndiyo hashi yacho yatinge tisiri kuda iyoyo yakarambwa ne-criminal law codification of Zimbabwe. Saka takaita kuti campaign, clean up campaign encourage our right to a healthy and safe environment. Taitora responsibility yedu, and we did various campaigns anozowandisa.
Okay, but clean up campaign Makaita, it's just a one-day thing here to change as a child rights ambassadors.
Because of the global World Children's Prize 2018, ya 2018 zvayoka, but it's something chatinoshuvira kuti chinoramba chichienda. Inonzi no litter generation. Nekuti litter inotikanganisa tese, ine ma diseases 1, 2, it is a climate change. Saka isusu taka engage kwa mune inonzi no litter generation. Pati tichifamba pick up my papers, tichipa an awareness yekuti izvo zvakashatira zvongorasa mapepa pese pese. Azvingo affect isusu sevana, zvino affect tese. So as nations worldwide, Trupita take part in that initiative inonzi no litter generation. Saka many may be asking, but for the why? Because vanenge vachiti isiri here abuse yachamuti tisaite ndo inonzi responsibility manje yatakuchita, because you have granted us our right to a healthy and safe environment, and so we are maintaining that healthy and safe environment.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm just going to ask you to say your last words. Natasha, what is your last words to the viewers concerning these child rights ambassadors?
Thank you very much, Ruvimbo. My last words would be, take these children seriously. Utilize them when it comes to problems that are affecting them. At times, they are not the problems, they are the problem solvers in challenges that are facing them. Take them serious. Consider them as your partners in this quest. Listen to them. Understand what it means or what the right entails. Not just assume what do they entail. Just understand and take time to understand this case. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm just going to take this comments. There is Simon Chibaya who is saying, where is State of the Nation address? Or I think he was referring to. And then there is Shamade Manaskana. They have commented. They're saying they are proud to see our girls, young rights advocates speaking. And they said, #we speak. And then Zim bloggers is saying, looks like this Swedish program is helping young girls be very vocal. Yes. They are really speaking. I think that's a credit for you. Then there is Temu Tumaini saying, Kimberley Fusire, president of Zimbabwe Girls Jury, and then Nokhuthula Batson, and then our numbers of Pindura. Thank you so much for your comments. Keep them coming. I'm going to ask Nokhu, what will be your last words to the viewers?
Okay, my last word to the viewers is about the right to education. You must take seriously about that right. Tofano kunge itakanya so ibatisa chinya so ikoshisisa. Cause I understand kuti nowadays panabasa rinokone munhu asina kudzidza. Even when it comes to relationship, apana mukoma unofta anoda musikana asina kudzidza.
Iwo nemukomana.
I want you now. I'm talking about chicha ndakanzwa zvichitaurwa mwakomana. Vachozvanza amazuva nenyangwa kuti sinodzidza ndimbofuta karo mukadzi asinodzidza.
Kuseya iye asinodzidza siyanda mukadzi.
Maybe anozotya kuzoti handizoso pane chimwe chijoke chakambeswa so choti hanzi mwana akapiwa homework kuchikoro akanzi anobvunza mama wako ndiri kuti uchine muchirungu unonzi chii. Saka hanzi mwana akasvika na mama akati ko mama ne uchine muchirungu unonzi chii kana mama don't worry, my young daughter, don't worry. I'll go and ask honey, could what's the meaning of uchine, you know? Then I'll find out that honey, teaching on to I don't know honey, but they were answering the answer of that child, you know. Saka, as a person, you must be educated. As a person, you must be a person of emotion. As a person, you must have success and to excel. Because if you say that I want to be a lawyer, how can you be a lawyer without education? So our parents, as girls, let us be educated. Let us give us that right, and we need it, because when it's come to terms of suffering, sorrow, pain, when it's come to time of sickness, maybe we can need that money and we can help you out. But how can you help out without educated? We can never help you. So I'd like to say to you, all the viewers who are hearing me, let us give us that right to educate with this IP. Thank you very much.
Okay, Kim, what would be your last word to the viewers?
Nini zvangu kanda katichara zvekusimuka ndakutonzwa ginger zvisikaiteka. Inini hangu ati always say kuti titeererei. We want our voices to be heard. We want government to be included mune zvinhu zvatiri kuita. We want their support. Tikuda kuti we want our voices to be heard. Guys, vasikana kunyanya kana vakomana vacho I heard kuti they get abused a lot and they are keeping quiet. Musatye, get involved in programs akaita sana shamwari mwanasikana, call child line nezvimwe zvakangosiyana siyana. Ndinozviziva kuti hautomboshaya munhu angakuudze kuti pakati panowanikwa chakati. Saka I encourage you to make your voices heard. Ndichiti iwewe chitomira pamanyoma ipapo. And guys, kandokumbira kuti muzotibatsire in our litter free generation. Pandiri kusign out ndichiti #litter free generation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much, viewers, for tuning in. Awangwari, they are child rights ambassadors from Shamwari Mwanasikana. Angawachi to Uza about their rights. So, manzgosha vataura zvibatisise havasida abuse and also protect them pese pavanenge vari, so that we have a brighter future. Thank you so much and Merry Christmas.